Hey guys, so today I went to Craig's LA, the most infamous restaurant here in LA where all the celebrities go to. I wanted to try it and see what it's like. So it is on Melrose. We arrived on Melrose and there were paparazzi outside. They weren't really taking photos. They did take a photo of me, which was so funny because they must have thought I was like a celebrity or something. But we went and sat down. The table was really nice. It's more like a bar slash lounge. It's not as fancy as you would think. As for food, you do get free bread. This is the bread that the Kardashians say they love. This bread was so delicious and so sweet. It was really, really good, honestly. As for the menu, they did have cocktails. I didn't get any. But for food, I did get a pizza. I got the margarita pizza, which was so delicious. And it was pretty large and pretty inexpensive for a whole pizza. It was $20, and I split it with my friend. And also they had other things such as mac and cheese and salads. The service was great. A lot of people were celebrating their birthdays. Our server gave us this free cake. It was like a pecan, chocolatey, creamy cake. It was so delicious and such a great free gift for me. I loved the service and just the overall vibe of the restaurant. It definitely shocks me that Rihanna and people like Harvey go here because the atmosphere is so chill and different from that luxury aesthetic that they are used to. But here's the bill. It was $138 for 4 people, which isn't that bad.